Hi y'all, Mike Peace Woodturning. Welcome back to my shop. You know, I regularly get solicitations, as many other YouTubers do, once they get up close to 50,000 subscribers or more, for a lot of weird, sometimes weird stuff. Here's an example of one. Ultra thin, fashionable, all-day wearable body weight bands that you put on your wrist, ankle, and waist all day to burn up to 1,500 calories. And the best part is we have bands for sports, casual, and formal, so you can wear them with any outfit and look fashionable. Well, most of this stuff I just hits the delete because I know it's not anything I'm interested in, and it's not going to be anything most of my viewers are going to be interested in. So it's rare that I get something where I'm going to do an unboxing. But I did get this solicitation from Tomyvic for a 6-inch mini chainsaw, and I thought, you know, this is something I might use for light pruning around the house, and occasional light trimming of a sapling or a tree limb for some wood turning projects. I thought, you know, not only might I be interested in it, you might be interested in it too. So they were kind enough to send me one for free with the understanding I'd do a video. So let's see what we got. So it comes well packaged, you know, with protection. It looks like it's got a nice little carry-all package. And I did a little review on this. They sell this on Amazon. So let's just open it up. Most of these plastic packages I tend to throw away for most of the tools that I get. This looks like one that might be handy that I would actually store it and keep it in for that occasional project where I might use something like this. Alright. We got it upside down or right side up? I don't know. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the actual saw itself. It's obviously it's a fairly inexpensive saw, so it's not all metal. It's mostly plastic, but I got a feeling it's within the capacity it's designed for. It'll probably do fine. It's fairly lightweight without any batteries in it. So let's come back to that. Close this knife up before I cut myself. It comes with a long Phillips screwdriver to adjust the tension on the chain. It comes with an extra chain, which is handy. It comes with a bottle to put oil in it. I understand it doesn't have an automatic lubricator. You've got to lubricate it. I did notice some negative reviews. There's always negative reviews on Amazon because somebody doesn't get it right. I get the impression maybe a lot of people are not familiar with some of this kind of equipment where you do need to lubricate a chain. So it's got two 21-volt lithium batteries. My understanding is they generally come with some type of charge, but I'm going to charge them up before I use it. It does have a charger with it. And 110 for North America, and it's got a standard kind of plugs in the battery. And as I understand it, there's a readout on this. I'm going to charge both these up overnight so we can actually give this a trial run tomorrow and put it through its paces to see how it does. So I see a red light, and we'll see what the instructions say about that in a moment. Now, I think clearly this is designed for consumer use, somebody that maybe not as familiar with tools and safety and maybe doesn't have a shop, because it does come with a set of safety glasses. Now, there's no rating on it, so I doubt if it's ANSI 3 or whatever, and it does not easily fit over glasses, so I guess it works great if you don't wear glasses, but not so useful if you're wearing glasses. It's got a set of safety gloves. I'm not sure they're safety gloves, we'll have to see, but it's got these nice little ribbing on it, so it makes it easy to hold onto a branch or something. So, but it's nice that they threw in some gloves. It's also got a little wrench to take the chain on and off and install with it. So it's got all the accessories you need. It's got a set of instructions with it, and I'm going to take a moment to read the instructions, then I'll be right back. So the charger has a little light on it. The instructions clearly say if it's red, it's not fully charged. When it turns green, it's charged. The packaging in the on the Amazon ad, it clearly says that it has a 1-year warranty, but it does come with a card that says we suggest you register and activate your product for a lifetime warranty. So it's a great deal, lifetime warranty on this. So for the price, that seems like pretty hard to beat. The one thing that it's clearly, I'd say, deficient in the user manual, it mentions the oil bottle, but it doesn't say what kind of oil. I would use, regular chain oil if you got it, but I suspect most any kind of machine oil would probably work. It doesn't have a self-oiler, so you're going to have to oil this. I'm guessing you would oil it at least every time you use it, and if you used it much at all at one time, you probably want to stop it and add it. But you want to feed a little bit of oil in the groove. I would turn it upside down because this is the loosest place, and then move the chain a little bit and add some more. I already had bar and chain oil handy, so I put a little bit here in this little container because this little spout does make it easier to actually lubricate the chain. And like I say, I would store it in a Ziploc bag nearby, as one person suggested, just to keep from getting this everywhere if you had it inside your case. One of the negative reviews commented about the battery tab wouldn't keep the battery in place anymore, and I'm guessing because it has a depression here, they didn't read the instructions, and that pressing this down drops this down, allows it to engage. And I'm guessing that the individual tried to ram this on there and broke this tab some kind of way because they didn't read the instructions. But maybe they wound up with a defective product. I don't know. Can't say for sure. It does have a nice safety guard. It's out of plastic, so it's not really heavy duty. It looks like it probably, if you twisted it, you could very well snap it. But I can see how that is handy when you're maneuvering around, especially if you had the chainsaw operational, that you're not going to accidentally be able to hit it with your hand or fall on it or something of that nature. It does have a safety switch to start it. You press the button, and then you take your finger off. Now, taking your finger off this doesn't disengage it, but taking your finger off here does. So works just fine. Okay, I've charged both batteries. It didn't take long at all. I think maybe an hour or so to finish the charge. You depress this, slide the battery in to lock it in place. I've got a fence repair project in my backyard that's using these pine pickets, and it's too far back for electric corded saw, so I thought I'd see how even a cut it is. I'm not going to time how long it takes because I suspect it'll go pretty quick. I've checked the tension on the chain, and it's good, and it's still got a little lubricant from the factory. Okay, I probably pushed a little hard on that. I probably should have let it do a little more work, but it's done a nice, fairly clean cut. I think this will accomplish what I want on my fence project, where I have to scallop a whole bunch of these pickets in kind of a curve at the top, and I think this will give a smooth enough section cut for me. Now let's try something different. For the next one, I'm going to cut a green piece of fig. It's just a bit over 4 inches, and this is probably what I would consider maybe the limit of this saw, but I won't know till I give it a try, so let's give it a shot. This thing, flexes back, so it, again, protects you against accidentally slippage or hitting the blade. Just letting the saw do the work. I'm impressed. It seemed to do very well. Let me pick up that cookie. Nice even cut. It went through it very quick. So I think I'm going to be happy with this. I think anybody buying it with that registers within 45 days to get that lifetime warranty is not going to go wrong.